Next up, round brushes. I'm not gonna lie, I don't have the patience to sit there and blow dry my hair like professionally. Like, I just don't have time for it. I don't do as great of a job that they do, but if I were to do it, like, I'll take, usually it's like wet hair, and then I do little, I call them honey buns. They're not honey buns, I wish they were like little cinnamon rolls. And I do this, and they stay on my hair, and then I take it, and then I blow dry it. So this, I love this. This is from Conair. I've had this for so many years, and what I like about it is it's not sticky. Do you guys have brushes that like you wear products and then they become so sticky? I love it because this one feels matte. I don't feel the stickiness of the products, and I do such a good job. Now look how nice and clean it looks. Yeah, so it cleans very nice. And it's definitely hard to blow dry and curl your hair at the same time, but when you do, boy oh boy, it's, you know, you're gonna have nice results. Get yourself one of these for this amount of round, because they have them skinnier, and you know, but this one, I use it for the crown. Actually, I don't use it down there. Down there, I don't want volume. I want volume. See how it just did the indent? I want volume up here. So what I do is I go like this, and then I take, I'll show you. I have a blow dryer, and I go like, I shoot the air like this. So the brush is going up, and the blow dryer, the nozzle is going like this. So going like this, and then I have volume. And then I do a little bit like here, because I remember I have angles. Now my hair is outgrown and I'm overdue for a haircut, but I take it, and then I have nice angles, which let's just pretend I do, but I really don't. So get yourself one of these. Was influenced a couple years back, all the pretty girls had this brand, T3. I've never heard of them before Instagram. This one has metal, see? And maybe that helps. Maybe that kind of does something with the heat, and it has big holes, where that one doesn't really have holes. So air, I guess, just shoots in there. What I don't like about it, remember I told you sticky handles? Feels sticky. It's dirty too. Like, see how white that is? Like, I'm embarrassed, this is yellow. That one had more of a grip. This one, I'm able to, with one hand. That one I needed to. But that one really pulled the hair. This one is just kind of letting it fall. So again, with this one, what I do is I kind of show you guys how to do it from underneath. But sometimes I do it the opposite way, where I shoot the air from here. That can give you volume too. So I do that as well. That wraps up the hair brushes.